Okay, y'all, I had to show you this. Got me a new addition to my coffee station. This guy right here. It's an espresso machine. I love it. I was in the store the other day. I saw it for $2.49. I'm an internet guy, so I checked online. Amazon had it for $1.60. The difference is because it had a milk frother for the one in the store. Amazon had a milk frother for $4.99. So I added it to my cart. And while I was on there, they recommended this nice little set of espresso coffee mug set. So I grabbed it as well, 26 bucks. Not a big deal. This is my Keurig machine. I love it. I use it all the time. But I wanted an espresso machine. I see these out and about. I use RO water with the fill tank in the back just to make sure it stays clean. My Keurig is hard plumbed to my RO filter, so it keeps it nice and clean, up and running. I've had it for 5 years running on that system, so haven't had to clean it, so I'm pretty confident it will maintain in this machine as well. So I have these to try out. It's nice espresso caramel. I've tried one already. It's great. I wanted to show you guys about it. They come nicely packaged. Got a nice little setup right here. Got my milk in there ready for my frothing. So what you do is you, first, manufacturer wants you to run water through it. I use the espresso, so it uses a little bit of water. That's why I keep this cup there. But it recommends running it through there before and after each one of your pod use, just to keep the system clean. So I've already done that, already preheated it as well. That's basically what that function does. And as you see, you take it here, slide it down in there, drops it, okay? You want to push this all the way down. Doesn't take a lot of stress. Just push it there, set your cup. And make sure that you, there's two buttons there. One's espresso and one's lungo. Lungo will be the larger one. That's going to be more for your coffee cups. As you can see, it states lungo on there. This back here is your espressos. It'll stay in the back, espresso. Most of your packs have it. That tells you what to use or which button to push. My teas, I'm assuming they all take lungos. It doesn't state on them, so I'm going to assume. But this one specifically says espresso. So we're going to go into it. As you can watch. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. It's got that natural cream-like foam on top. Does its thing. Always drip this up first, just in case there's some things that's going to drip into the cup. The other thing I love about it is, once you take this off, set that there, close this down, it conveniently drops your pod down there in the trash bin, and this separates, comes off, so you can dump those in the waste basket. Again, it says run your machine before and after your pod. So here we are. Just going to keep that clean. Not sure if you can see that, but it was a little stained with coffee. So now we're going to try out our $4.99 battery operated milk frother. Seems to be working pretty well. It's nice, it comes with a handy dandy stand. and foamy. And here we go. There it is. And we just give it a little bit of stir. See that nice foam cream? Came out real nice. Let's try it, shall we? Absolutely delicious. I highly recommend getting one of these.
Yes. The coffee, I just took it out. It's broken, the sealing. Okay, as you can see, it was opened. Okay, this is it. Alright, the machine already looks used. Look at the mark that it has over here.
See, is the wash machine is started and not stopping. When I press the short one, it's continuing for the reason that it's always this here. It's not stopping. Continue. Supposed to be the short one. It's continuing without stopping. The wash machine, the wash.